Are you tired of laptops that are designed to look the part but lack the substance to support your demanding professional needs? Have you ever felt like your device is dragging you back instead of propelling you forward as you tackle the most complex and data-intensive tasks? Welcome to the reality that many of us face in today's fast-paced work world. However, with the latest innovations in hardware, software, and design, this is about to change. In this review, we'll explore the new Dell Latitude 5550, a powerhouse laptop designed specifically with professionals like you in mind. Let's dive in. The Dell Latitude 5550 is poised to revolutionize the way we work, offering an unbeatable combination of performance, portability, and productivity. For years, professionals have struggled to find a device that meets their specific needs, a laptop that offers both the necessary processing power and the ability to stay mobile. This is exactly where the Dell Latitude series shines, having already established a reputation as a go-to solution for businesses of all sizes. Now, in its fifth generation, the Dell Latitude 5550 represents a quantum leap forward, featuring cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and impressive battery life. Measuring a mere 3.92 pounds and just 0.75 inches thin, this laptop is as comfortable to carry as it is to use. The exterior, clad in a durable aluminum alloy, exudes a sense of sophistication and quality, while the backlit keyboard glows with a soft, even light, ensuring that typing is a breeze even in the dimmest environments. One of the standout features of the Dell Latitude 5550 is its robust performance. Under the hood lies an Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, specifically the 125U model, beating even the most powerful Intel Core i7-1355U in several benchmark tests. What this means for professionals is unparalleled speed and efficiency when working with demanding applications, such as video editing, 3D modeling, and database management. Additionally, this processor boasts a 5 GHz boost clock, allowing you to tackle even the most resource-intensive tasks without breaking a sweat. With 16 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, storage and memory are also no longer major concerns. You'll enjoy seamless performance, rapid loading times, and ample storage for all your files, programs, and projects. The DDR5 RAM, in particular, is worthy of special mention, as its higher frequency and greater bandwidth enable the laptop to tackle even the most demanding applications with greater ease. Another critical aspect of any laptop is its display. The Dell Latitude 5550 shines here as well, boasting a vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD touchscreen with anti-glare coating. This display is ideal for professionals who work extensively with multimedia, graphics, or spreadsheets, as the crisp visuals, accurate color reproduction, and ample brightness ensure that your work is presented at its best. The 1080p webcam on the Dell Latitude 5550 is also a notable improvement. This high-quality camera delivers outstanding video quality, making it an essential feature for professionals who regularly engage in video meetings, webinars, or conference calls. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, meeting with clients, or staying in touch with loved ones, the 1080p webcam is sure to make a difference. Thunderbolt 4, Ethernet, and other ports are also on board, providing professionals with the flexibility to connect to a wide range of peripherals, docks, and networks. And with Windows 11 Pro, one of the most secure and reliable operating systems on the market, you can rest assured that your device is protected from the latest threats and vulnerabilities. In real-world testing, the Dell Latitude 5550 proved itself to be a workhorse of a laptop. I put it through its paces, using it for everything from everyday office tasks to complex video editing and 3D modeling. While it handled light tasks with ease, its true brilliance was evident when tackling demanding projects. With its blazing fast processor, ample storage, and high-quality display, I was able to complete tasks in record time, all while maintaining the highest level of quality and accuracy. However, no device is perfect, and the Dell Latitude 5550 is no exception. In my review, I did notice a few notable limitations. The battery life, while impressive at up to 11 hours, didn't quite reach its full potential under heavy usage. Furthermore, some users may find the laptop's cooling system, while effective, to be somewhat loud. Minor issues such as these, however, are largely alleviated by the numerous strengths that make this laptop a real standout in its class. Compared to competing options, the Dell Latitude 5550 shines brightly. Its combination of performance, portability, and affordability makes it a top choice for professionals and businesses alike. While some users may opt for the Dell XPS series or the Lenovo ThinkPad P53, the Latitude 5550 stands out for its unique blend of power, style, and value. In conclusion, the Dell Latitude 5550 is an unstoppable force in the world of professional laptops. Its sleek design, combined with its incredible performance, makes it a true game changer. Whether you're a video editor, a software developer, or a project manager, this laptop is guaranteed to propel you forward. Don't just take my word for it. Experience the transformative power of the Dell Latitude 5550 for yourself. For those looking to upgrade their work setup or simply seeking a superior laptop experience, I highly recommend the Dell Latitude 5550. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your full potential. Visit the Dell website today and discover why this laptop is the perfect fit for professionals and businesses of all sizes. The final verdict is clear. The Dell Latitude 5550 is a truly exceptional device that redefines the boundaries of what a laptop can do. Its impressive specifications, stunning display, and cutting-edge features make it a top choice for professionals seeking a powerful, portable, and reliable solution for their work needs.